welcome. Yeah, Shabab. Now we are starting the chapter 2. The first article there is first order system. First order system. Have we heard this before, Shabab? First order? First order system? A lot of brothers are writing yes. So where we saw it? In practical. Very good. Very good. So that's very good. The brothers are mashallah remembering. So how we define the first order system, Shabab? How we define it? We take the input. This is our time axis T. This is input. This is output. Right, Shabab? So at time T1, we apply the input. Before it was here, we bring it to here from position A to B. What type of is this, Shabab? What type of input is this? A lot of brothers, they are saying some different things, but its name is step input. Step. If you guys remember, we explain it. Step input. In practical, we explain it. And the output comes like this. The output comes like smooth like this. Smooth and gradual. And reach to steady state. Steady state. The system, what we say, first order system. What we say, Shabab? Shabab with me? Lot of brothers, they are writing. Shabab, say something, say. Is it everybody with me or sleeping? That's good. Minimum one brother is replying. That's good. No, lot of brothers, they are writing, mashallah. Can you guys give me some example for this first order system? Yes, Shabab. Please give me some example.
AC condition.
On off of light. Okay. Any other example, Shabab? Any other example, Shabab?
AC condition.
What about the rooftop tank? Is it first order? The filling of the rooftop tank? Yes, Shabab. Is it first order? Filling of the benzene tank, some brother is writing. Take this tank, rooftop tank. So the water is coming. The water is coming and it is increasing gradually. First here, this PV1, PV2, PV3, PV4, and so on. Is it coming gradually or all of a sudden?
Yes, teacher.
Gradually and smoothly. So we apply the input. The water is coming and the level is increasing gradually and smoothly. So somehow if somebody close the pump, and on it again, maybe then it is not first order. What about the capacitor, Shabab? Charging of capacitor. You guys remember the charging of capacitor? Nobody remember the capacitor? Your brothers are writing yes. You guys remember the capacitor, right?
The capacitor instrument 1, teacher.
Yes. Capacitor
Yes, I
is
know.
in one. This was the capacitor. To charge the capacitor, again it is first order. Right, Shiva? The charging of the capacitor, you will see the same waveform you will see, the charging of the capacitor. Lot of brothers, they are writing the message, yes. So, mashallah, lot of brothers, they remember and they see it. Now, if the input is like step, this input, and this is the output, gradual and smooth, going to steady state. What is the name of this system? First order system. If, for example, system start oscillating here, Shabab, it start oscillating like this. Is it first order anymore? No, it is not first order. Maybe second order, maybe whatever order, third order, but it is not first order. Right, Shabab? So if it is start oscillating even more, so it is no more first order. For the first order, it should be gradual and smooth, like this. Shabab with me? Lot of brothers there, mashallah, sending the messages. So that's good. Any question up to here, Shabab? That's good. That's good. So is it first order FLPDT? What was the FLPDT, Shabab? Somebody remember, Shabab? First order lag plus dead time. FOLPDT. Have you guys heard this word before, Shabab? FOLPDT. Shabab with me? Shabab with me? Okay, that's good. MashaAllah, a lot of brothers, they are writing yes. So, is it FLPDT? You guys have heard FLPDT? A lot of brothers, they are saying in practical. Yes, that's good. That's good. Is this system is FLPDT? This input and output is FLPDT, Shabab?
I think yes.
Think again, please. Dead time. Where is dead time here? Where is dead time? Where is the dead time?
Time, teacher.
Yeah, where is the dead time here?
The time of the change of the constant, teacher.
Here
T2
the
minus T1.
input and output are starting at the same time. So here there is no dead time.
0.
So how we will make the dead time here?
I can. This is 0, teacher.
T1, the output will start at T2. Right, Sabah? No, it is FLPDT. Sabah with me? No, it is
Yes, we do.
FLPDT. So Again, we need to define the characteristics. How many characteristics are there, Shabab, for FLOPDT? Yes, Shabab, how many characteristics? What is the first one? The first characteristics of FLPDT, Shabab. First order lag plus dead time. So, once again, if it is the output is starting increasing gradually, going to steady state, it is first order. Why we say lag? What is the meaning of lag, Shabab, here? Lag is what? Yes, Shabab.
Again, question.
Shabab, you're sleeping. The output is after input. The output, see the output. Output is after input. Input is before and output comes after input. That is the lag. So output is lagging behind the input. The output is lagging behind the input. Right, stop? Shabab with me? So that's what is lagging. What is the dead time? So lagging is done. What is dead time, Shabab? Dead time mean what? Dead time mean what, Shabab?
T2 minus T1.
T2 minus T1. T2, T1. T1 is the time when we apply the input. We apply this input at T1 and T2 is the time when output appears.
Yeah.
Right, Shabab? So this is the dead time. So lag mean output will start after the input. And the dead time mean the output will start after a time delay. Then the output will start. That is what dead time.
Teacher, before, can you repeat lag, teacher, because I have bad connection today, teacher. Can you repeat the lag? What's the mean the lag, teacher?
Sorry?
Can you repeat lag, teacher? What's the mean the lag? I want to write my board.
Meaning of what?
Of lag.
Lag means, see, we apply the input. We apply the input, right?
Yes.
And output is coming after a delay time. There is a delay T2 minus T1. This time the output start. So
Yeah.
output is lagging behind the input. Input is leading, output is lagging.
Okay.
Any other brother has question, please ask. Okay, now we're gonna start with Shabab game. So this is, it was at place C, we bring it at place D. Okay, Shabab, what is gain? Process gain, number one. Process gain. KP. Yes, Shabab, how we define process gain? KP. Yes, Shabab.
Delta output over delta input.
Delta mean what? We don't read this delta. It is change in output over change in input. So how much change in output? Yes, Shabab, how much change in output? Yes, Shabab.
D minus C.
D minus C. D minus C over
B minus A.
D minus A. Very good. Number two, Shabab. Process data time. TD. How we define TD, Shabab?
T2 minus T1.
T2
Very good. T2 minus T1. What is T2, Shabab? T2 is what?
The time starting of the output.
Time
Time
output.
of the change, teacher. Of the change of output.
And what is T1,
Starting.
Shabab? What is T1?
Time plus 2. Time plus 2 band.
Time?
For change of
Input
the
applied.
output.
Time when input applied. Input applied. Shabab with me?
Like time of the change teacher.
Sorry?
Like of the time of change, like a practical
Yeah,
teacher.
like the time of change, no problem. Yeah.
Okay.
But see, this is T1, we apply the input, and this is T2, output appears. What is number 3, Shabab? Time constant.
Time constant. Yeah.
Process time constant, tau. How we define the tau, Shabab? How we define the tau?
64 over 100.
63.2% of span. Time to reach 63.2% of span. Time to reach 63.2% of span. So what is the span here, Shabab? What is the span here? Step number 1. What is span?
T2 minus T1. D minus C.
Span.
D
This is
minus
the
C.
span. D minus C. Imagine C is 10 and D is 90. So what is the span?
80.
80. Very good. Okay. Step number 2. Take the 63.2% of span. Say it is E. So how much? 63.2 into 80. How much, Shabab?
1 minute.
How much, Shabab?
Where is calculator teacher?
50.4. Some brother is saying 50.4. Shabab, verify it.
Yes.
50.4. Very good.
15.56.
50.56 teacher.
50.56.
Yes.
Oh, Shabab, verify. Everybody verify this one. 50.56 or 50. Whatever
50.
you please verify. Right, Shabab? Okay, step C. What is step C, Shabab? Add the initial value. So this is E plus add the initial value. What is the initial value, Shabab, here? What is the initial value? 10.
10.
That is E. So E is 50.56 plus 10. How much? 60.56. Right, Shabab? Everybody with me, Shabab? That's good. Lot of brothers, they are writing yes. That's good. Now we will
Yes,
find 60.56 here. We say approximately here. So it is E plus C, that is equal to 50.56. We draw a line here, Shabab. We draw a straight line here and bring the straight line here on the time axis. What is this time? What is this time, Shabab? T3. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are writing, mashallah. So lot of brothers, they are writing. Very good. Very good. So this is T3. So what is time constant, Shabab? Time constant is what? T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. What is T3, Shabab? What is T3? Yeah, Shabab, what is T3? T3 is what? T3 is the time output reaches or just reaches reaches 63.2% of span. And what is T2, Shabab? What is T2? Which time is T2? Shabab with me?
The input applied, teacher.
No,
Time
T2.
input applied.
T2.
Start,
This is
teacher.
starts. Output starts. Output reaches 63.2%. T2 which time? Output starts. Shabab with me? That's good. Lot of brothers they are saying yes, mashallah. That's good. Okay, Shabab. What is ideal gain? What is the ideal gain, Shabab? What is ideal gain? Ideal gain is what? Misali gain. What is ideal gain, Shabab? Yeah, Shabab. What is ideal gain? Ideal. Shabab with me?
Infinity.
Infinity. Very good. The ideal gain is infinity. We want ideal gain infinity. Yeah, practically we know it is not possible, but that's what we want. Ideal gain. What is our ideal gain, Shabab? Infinity. Right, Shabab? Any person has any question up to here, Shabab? Our with the ideal gain. Somebody has question? Please ask. So we want all our processes, they give ideal gain. Lot of brothers they are saying mashallah no, so they don't have any question. Alhamdulillah. Okay, Shabab. What is our ideal data time? What is ideal data time?
0.
0. Very good. 0. Ideal data time 0. Very good, Shabab. Ideal data time is 0. We want as soon as we push the accelerator of our car should start. Right, Shabab? As soon as we push the accelerator of our car should start. Yeah, we know it is not possible. There is always a dead time between we push the accelerator and the car starts. We want as soon as we on the switch of the light should be on. Again, we know it is not possible until now. So there is always a gap, a dead time between the input apply and output starts. Okay, Shabab. What is our ideal time constant? What is our ideal time constant, Shabab? 0. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing 0. Very good. So what we want? We want as soon as we push the accelerator, our car reaches 350 kilometer per hour. The maximum speed we want to attain. Right? So that's why we want time constant 0. We want as soon as we on the light should be full on, 100% on, all of a sudden. Yeah, we know it is not possible, but that's what we want, 0. Okay, Shabab. Now I have a question for you guys. Everybody with me, Shabab? Everybody with me, Shabab? That's good. A lot of brothers they are saying yes. Okay. Now, for example, lot of young peoples, they like manual car. They don't like automatic car. What is the reason? Yashiba, what is the reason?
So
What is the
speed,
reason?
teacher.
So they can, very good. They can control the speed. They can control the speed. So in the manual car, you can control the speed by changing the gear by yourself. You can change the gear by yourself. You can push the accelerator more. You can make a balance with the clutch, accelerator and gear. And you can increase the speed very fast. In manual car, you cannot do that. In manual car, the gear gonna get changed automatically. So there is a fixed speed. If you reach the speed, the gear will change. Otherwise, it will not change. So in automatic car, we cannot change the gear. In manual car, we can change the gear. Okay. In manual car, when they are changing the gear, they control the time constant or dead time. What they control? Yes, Shabab. What they control? They control the dead time or time constant or that time? What they control? Very good. Lot of brothers, they are writing time constant. Yes, they control the time constant. What is the dead time? Dead time is you push the accelerator and you wait the car start. That is the dead time. So you push the accelerator and maybe it is nanosecond, maybe it is microsecond, but you have to wait the car start. On the other hand, time constant, once the car start, see, output starts. When the car starts, then how long it will take to reach the 63.2%. So whoever will reach 63.2% faster, it will reach maximum faster. So here we play with the gears, we play with the clutch, we play with the accelerator, we make the balance and we change the gears very fast in manual car. So we play with the time constant. We cannot play with the time constant in automatic car. So automatic car, the time constant, the changing of the gear proportional to the speed. So if the speed is increasing up to some limit, the first gear will change. Then again, if you increase the speed, the second gear will change. But we cannot control it by ourselves. It is being controlled by a car automatically. Any question up to here, Shabab? Yes, Shabab, any question up to here? A lot of brothers, they are writing no. Please, if any brother has any question, please ask.
Teacher,
Yes.
what does it mean, time constant? What is the time
Time
constant?
constant mean to reach the 63.2%. See here. This is, it is starting from here. This is, imagine 10 or 0, right? You are with me, brother?
Yes, I am with you.
Okay. Now it is starting from here and it is reaching to the steady state. This one, right? So in 63 to 63.2%, 63.2% is this is the time when it is, this is the time when it reaches the 63.2%. So this is the time constant. T3 minus T2 is the time constant. So if something is reaching 63.2% faster, it will go to steady state faster. This is what, Shabab? This is dead time. Now imagine there is another process that is going like this to steady state, like this, right? With me?
Yes,
So here, its time constant will be where? Here, right? It will reach 63.2% here. So which process is the faster? Say this is P1, this is
Second
P2.
one.
So which process is faster?
P2.
P2. That's it. So it means you understand. So P2 is faster, its time constant is smaller. So whoever time constant is smaller, that will be faster, right?
Right.
So what we want? We want to go to the maximum in 0 time. Like this one we want. This one. That's what we want. So we want to go to maximum in 0 time. That's what is our ideal. Right?
Right.
So whoever has small time constant, their process will go to steady state faster.
It's clear, Doctor. Thank you.
You are welcome. Any other brother Shabab, please ask. If you have any question, please ask. Inshallah, from the coming week, we will start solving the example and problem for this chapter. But please ask the question. If you have any question, please ask.
How I can find T3 without the graph?
T3 without diagram, you think you can find?
I don't think so.
Yeah, that's it. So you have done the experiment, right?
Yes.
How many experiment you did?
Maybe 4 or 5, teacher.
4 experiment you did, right? And how many assignments you did?
4. How 5?
How many?
4.
So after that, you are asking me, can we find T3 without diagram? Is it
No,
possible?
teacher. My question is good question because I want to ask you how I find the more better.
Sorry?
My question.
Yes, please.
If I don't have a graph, I don't have the program. How I can find this? Maybe I have
See,
good way. So ask me the question. I
Sabr, sabr, sabr.
understand.
Something you need. Either you need the data or you need the graph, right?
Yes.
No, you remember question 7 in our lab, question number 7? You remember?
Yes, teacher.
In question 7, graph is given?
Yeah. I don't have
No graph is given. What is given? Data is given. You remember that?
Yes.
So with the
Yes.
data, you can find the time constant, or with the data you draw the graph and then find the time constant, right?
Yes.
So at the end, you need something. Either it is data or it is some graph or something you need to find the time constant. Without data, without graph, it is like we are not
Impossible.
constant, maybe something else, right?
I know and I understand, teacher, and I would do
That's good.
all the
That's good,
lecture.
mashallah. That's good.
But I have
Yes, brother.
maybe I want the first way.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Your question is valid. Your question is good. Your question is not bad. Your question is very good. Your question is valid. Is there any other way to find it? Either data or graph. That's what we prefer. Right?
Okay.
Any other brother has question, Shabab? Yes, Shabab. Any other brother has question? Please ask. How many brothers start revision, Shabab? Somebody revising? Yes, Shabab. That's good. A lot of brothers they are writing yes. That's good. Very good. Inshallah, maybe the coming week we will announce our quiz 1, inshallah. So I suggest all the brothers please start revising and preparation. Right, Shabab? Any brother has any question, Shabab? Any brother has
Thank
any
you, teacher.
question? Thank you very much, Shabab. Thank you very much. And have a nice weekend, inshallah. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.